Welcome to Beautonic Life Kitchen. If you are looking for a keto dinner inspiration, this recipe is for you. Today I am going to show you how to make super simple, flavorful and tender apple balsamic chicken with delicious blueberry spinach salad. Let's get started. So let's go over all my ingredients. We need chicken. I am using organic chicken thighs from a butcher box. So if you are looking for a high quality meat, I recommend to check them out. I will post the link below the video. We need chicken bone broth, apple cider vinegar, keto-friendly balsamic vinegar. I recommend this brand. It's absolutely keto compliant. Lemon juice and spices. Powdered garlic, paprika, thyme and Celtic salt. And also black pepper. For a salad, we need organic baby spinach. We need organic blueberries, feta cheese, sliced almonds. And for dressing, I am going to use avocado oil, Dijon mustard, keto-friendly sweetener, and this is pretty much it. So let me show you how I am making the chicken. This is very quick recipe. If you don't have a crock-pot, you can bake the chicken in the oven for about 1.5 hours in 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so I am putting the chicken to the pot, and now I am combining all the ingredients for the marinade. So we need to shake this balsamic sauce, the balsamic oil, and we need about 1/4 of the cup. Okay. I will pause the recipe below the video. I am going to combine all the ingredients together. Wow, the smell is so nice already. And I am pouring over the chicken. That's it. I am going to cook on low for about 5 hours or until the chicken is tender. The chicken is in the crock pot, but you know, yesterday I made this recipe and my family love it so much, so that's why I decided to share with you. So I am showing you the final result, the chicken that I made yesterday. And because of it's so delicious, I am doing another batch today and I decided to make a video for you guys. Okay, so now let's make the spinach salad. So I am going to arrange all the ingredients on the spinach. And the chicken is so tender, it's melting in the mouth. Let me show you the simplest way to make a dressing. You just need the jar and put all the ingredients into the jar. Avocado oil, Dijon mustard, the keto sweetener, I am using Swerve, and a pinch of sea salt. all we need to do is just shake the jar until all the ingredients are combined. Very easy to make. Now I'm going to sprinkle feta cheese on top of the spinach. I am adding blueberries. And almonds. Wow, looks so nice, colorful. My eyes are eating right now. And pour our dressing. Wow. Dinner is ready. I hope you like the recipe. Please put thumbs up if you like this type of videos, and share with your friends and family. So yes, I am here for you. If you have some idea and you want me to make another dinner recipe for you, please let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! If you are looking for a keto dinner inspiration, alright, so today I am going to show you how to make super simple, delicious, tender and flavorful apple balsamic chicken.